Scientech Development Company Limited is specializing in the research and development of board furniture and CNC equipment and is located in the high-tech development zone in Jinan City, Shandong Province. The company has 20,000 square modern factories, brings together 62 industry elites, provides reliable guarantee for building high-quality intelligent woodworking machinery production line. Our company can provide a comprehensive solution for intelligent board-type furniture production. The main products: board-type furniture production line, CNC six-sided drilling hole center, CNC cutting machine, PTP CNC drilling hole center, CNC wood processing centers, wood engraving machine and automatic edge banding machine, vacuum membrane pressing machine, side hole drilling machine, and etc. The equipment is widely used: wardrobe cabinet, TV cabinet, shoe cabinet, wine cabinet, office furniture, and other board furniture industry. Hongda Boke always uphold the integrity-based, quality-first management idea. Take the customer as the center. To research and development, the production of each link meticulous, keep improving, make sure every piece of equipment performance and high quality. The equipment sells well both at home and abroad, and is stable in over 100 countries and regions. Eternal professional product brand, perfect after-sales service. Our market share has been expanding, established the big block in the industry leading position. We will be full of enthusiasm, continuous development, innovation for you to build a board-type furniture intelligent unmanned factory and unremitting efforts.